This is the problem. Every time I need something, I have to unpack half the car. Now, yes, my setup is organized. And after driving thousands of kilometers on and off-road, it honestly worked well. It was clean, it was logical, everything had its place. Until I needed something at the bottom. So I started asking myself a question. How do you access gear stored underneath without unpacking half the trunk? Now, naturally, the internet has answers. Lots of answers. Heavy answers, complicated answers, and some very expensive answers. But none of them solved my particular problem. My requirements were actually pretty simple. First, it had to be lightweight. Anyone who drives an old Toyota knows they could do without another 30 kilograms of steel permanently living in the back of the truck. Second, it had to be removable. Because sometimes this is an overland vehicle. And for the majority of times, it's just a normal daily driver. I wanted the ability to return everything back to factory settings whenever I needed those rear seats. And third, it couldn't cost a fortune. Because spending thousands of dollars to solve a storage problem feels a little bit ridiculous. So instead of buying an existing solution, I decided to design one. And that is usually where sensible people stop. The solution seemed obvious. A simple shelf, storage underneath, additional gear on top. Simple. Or so I thought. Cars aren't square. Nothing is straight. Nothing is symmetrical. And everything has to fit perfectly. For this project, I'm keeping it simple. Plywood, basic tools, a 3D printer, and just enough confidence to make questionable decisions. The wood wasn't the challenge. These were. The shelf is supported by a 3D printed structure. After some basic ideation sketches, I jumped into realizing these in 3D. And then, I waited. Version 1. Didn't fit. I was off by 0.1 millimeters. Back to the drawing board. Version 2 did fit, but lasted about 6 minutes under load. Back to CAD. Measure, model, print, test, repeat. Measure, model, print, test, repeat. Nobody talks about this part. The graveyard. Every wrong dimension. Every spool of material that run out in the middle of the night. Every print that looked perfect until reality got involved. And then, after a few spools of filament and more than 60 hours of printing, one finally worked. The final design uses plywood for the main plane. Light, strong, cheap, and a collection of 3D printed custom parts that I designed specifically to fit my needs. The printed components handle the mounting points, load distribution, the attachment system. And most importantly, they allow everything to be installed without drilling holes or permanently modifying the vehicle. Which means installation and removal takes minutes. Exactly the way it should. But theory is one thing. Colombian trails are another. One final test. Nothing moved, nothing collapsed, and no chaos. Success. Now here's the most interesting part. This shelf doesn't replace my packing system. It improves it. Because good overland storage isn't about fitting more stuff. It's about maximizing space and finding stuff faster. My gear is still packed logically. Everything still has its own place. But now I can access lower storage without creating a disaster zone by the side of a trail or at my campsite. And that changes everything. This isn't a complicated build. It's a small modification that solves a real problem and makes a big difference. Because overlanding isn't about what you carry. It's about how you carry it. And all it took was a piece of wood, a 3D printer, and a slightly dangerous amount of confidence. Let me know in the comments what your favorite DIY mod has been. And as always, we'll see you on the road or off it.